Hello, Krista here. Today we're going to go over our newest addition to the Prehistoric Beast mod on Ark Survival Evolved, Dracovenator. This is a very dangerous and aggressive creature that will spawn in close proximity to both wyverns and magmasaurs. There are 3 variants which you can find on the following maps. Scorched Earth, Ragnarok, and Extinction are the home of the normal variants. A crystal variant spawns exclusively on Crystal Isles, and the X variant spawn's location is inside the volcano cave on Genesis. In order to tame a Dracovenator at its max effectiveness, you will need to feed it its favorite food, fertilized magmasaur eggs. It will also accept fertilized wyvern eggs as well, although the effectiveness will drop off a considerable amount as the effectiveness of wyvern eggs is based on how common the type of wyvern is. For example, ice wyverns are less common than fire, lightning, and poison wyverns, so their fertilized eggs are more effective for taming a Dracovenator. Crystal wyverns are very common and much easier to tame due to them being a passive tame, though these eggs will be the least effective. Dracovenator is a regular knockout tame, but come prepared with plenty of narcotics due to their fast torpor drain. When spotting a wild Dracovenator, you will notice their eyes and talons glow with elemental essence. A tamed Dracovenator can make use of these elemental abilities as well by killing wyverns, magmasaurs, and managarmers in order to acquire essence from them. Essence comes in 5 different forms: fire, ice, life, lightning, and water, and also allows Dracovenator to mimic the elemental abilities of their victims. Dracovenator has many different attacks, 19 of them if you want to get real technical. First, let's quickly go over the controls. Left click is a bite, right click is a mega bite, but also can be used to perform some of the elemental ability specific attacks, which we will cover in greater detail in just a moment. The C key is a claw attack, X is a tail attack, and both of these can also be combined with essence to perform a special attack, which we will also get into very soon. Left control does a roar, which is purely cosmetic, and you can press space to jump. If you have essence inside of the inventory of your Dracovenator, you can hold the R key to toggle its elemental power on or off. If you have multiple types of essences inside its inventory, you can tap the R key to cycle through the various abilities. You will know which ability you currently have active by the buff your Dracovenator receives, and the glow of its eyes and talons. With an elemental ability active, you can now make use of the additional attacks using right click as well as the C and X keys. Using the right click attack 5 times will consume 1 piece of essence. Using any combination of the claw and tail attacks 10 times will consume 1 piece of essence. The elemental attacks offer various types of advantages and each apply different debuffs to your victims. Each essence allows Dracovenator to perform unique elemental attacks. Here's each of them in detail. Fire Essence. This essence is gained from killing magmasaurs, fire wyverns, and ember crystal wyverns. The breath attack is very similar to the ember crystal wyvern's ability. Using the breath over and over increases the damage that the breath does. This also turns the fire more blue. The claw and tail attacks light your target on fire and does traditional burn damage. Having the fire essence activated prevents fire and lava damage, keeping you safe from burning alive. Ice Essence. This essence is gained by killing ice wyverns and managarmers. This breath causes the target to be significantly slowed down and partially freezes them. While it can't freeze a target solid like the managarmer, it does slow down your target more than the ice wyvern. The claw and tail attacks slow the target down and obstructs their vision with ice. Having ice essence activated prevents you from being chilled to the bone from ice-based attacks. Life Essence. To gain this essence, you must kill poison wyverns or blood crystal wyverns. The spit attack has 2 parts to it: the main projectile, which can suck the life from your target and kill your Dracovenator, and the gas, which drains HP from all that walk into it. The claw and tail attack drains HP and stamina and causes a 10% speed decrease. Having a life essence activated prevents poisoning from wyverns and having your blood drained by a blood crystal wyvern. Lightning Essence. To gain this essence, you must kill lightning wyverns. The lightning breath does damage much like a lightning wyvern. The claw and tail attacks cause your target to briefly freeze, then they are slowed. Equipping this essence prevents shocking attacks from lightning wyverns. Water Essence. This essence is gained by killing tropical crystal wyverns. The breath attack pushes smaller enemies back and does damage. If used on a tame animal in your tribe or allied tribe, it provides a small boost of health. The claw attack and tail attack drain oxygen from your enemy. Equipping this essence prevents you from taking damage from tropical crystal wyverns, and also allows for faster swimming. All essences can be gained from killing an alpha wyvern. Doing so provides 10 random essences. Dracovenator is an avid hunter, and therefore is smart about the way it attacks. In the wild, a Dracovenator will switch its attacks based on what creature it's targeting. If you're riding a fire wyvern, Dracovenator will switch to use Ice Essence, as ice is fire's opposite. The same goes for lightning wyverns, blood crystal wyverns, and others. Fire does more damage to ice, but also receives more damage from it. Lightning counters water in the same way. Life has no counter, as it can gain and receive HP from its attacks. If you run out of essence, then your Dracovenator will switch to the next available essence in its inventory. If you run totally out, then it will deactivate and switch to non-elemental abilities. I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!